This thing on?
I don't know. Is it?
I don't know. Hello.
Hi.
Take number 1, I guess. All right. Welcome back to. Oh, I forgot. Okay, we're gonna try it again. All right. Take number 2 and go. Welcome back to the Nature Channel. Today we're gonna be finding the Tree of Life. Apparently, according to.
Is this good?
Yeah. It's a documentary, mate. Today, we're traveling in the forest to find the Tree of Life. Find a wild animal up there. Oh, he's scary as hell.
Shut up, bro.
Okay. Why don't you play along, loser? Jeez.
Shut up.
Take number 4, I think?
Yeah.
Alright, take number 4. Welcome back to my nature channel, and me and Morgan. Today we're going to be finding the Tree of Life. Apparently it can bring you 3 wishes if you find it, so sounds pretty cool.
Yeah.
We're going to be looking for that.
Yeah.
We've been walking forever, and just some stupid tree.
Any tree. This tree will grant us anything we want.
Like a girlfriend?
We both know you're not getting a girlfriend from that tree.
Wait! I gotta pee.
You're kidding me, right?
It'll just take a second. Come on. Come on.
Ah, fine. But if I find that tree, I'm gonna get the first wish.
Whatever, man. Bullseye!